Hey, my name is Jesse. I work here in OCRV Center, and I'm the electrical technician. So I was told to give you guys a walk around of a few things that we have going on now. And this is typically like a job that comes to us from a customer that just doesn't really want to buy a brand new coach because one, it's very pricey, and two, they don't get what they exactly want in the coach. So come on and I'll show you. So this is a mid-2000, like 2010 cross-country coach. Basically what happened here is the customer bought this at a cheaper price, of course, and he wants to basically use it in the desert area and the dunes. So what he asked us to do is that he doesn't want to run his generator all the time while he's out there, but he still wants to use his TV, all his 110 outlets, all that good stuff. So we opted out to give him a new inverter, a 3000 watt inverter, which is going to power up all the inside. And we also decided to, since he wanted to run everything inside at the same time, we needed to upgrade his battery system. We took out those two Group 31 batteries, which are basically nothing compared to what we have in now. We have 4 L16 batteries, and that's going to allow us, or the customer, to run all his stuff inside without running the generator. So that was one thing. So the next thing was that we needed to keep those batteries charged. So what we went ahead and did is we installed a solar system. We have 390 watt solar panels up there with an 80 amp charge controller. On a good typical day, this thing is going to be charging at least 50 amps of charge constantly. That's good because when this customer goes out with his toys, he parks his coach, he takes his toys out running, and when he comes back, the batteries are fully charged because they've been charging all day long. So when he comes back, he's going to be able to run everything inside with no generator. And of course, him being out of the desert, there's no shore power connection. So that's what he wanted, and that's what he's going to get. So that's on the outside here. So let's just go up on the roof and show you what the solar panels look like. So we're up here on the roof of the same cross-country coach. These are the 390 watt solar panels that we installed. Like I said, this should at least give them on a typical day a 50 amp charge constantly. Just keep them nice and clean, and they'll be good forever, I guess. We're also added remove his air vents. He wanted new ones in there. So that's the bathroom vent. We just replaced it with a new one. He had power there already, so that's a power vent. This one here we're going to replace with a power vent unit. Now the issue here is that he has no power here in this area, so I'm going to go inside and just run new power to this unit so that when you put the new one in, he's going to have a power vent on this side too. So this is the top of the coach. Very simple, but works great. All right, so we're now inside the coach. This is a almost complete tear down. We're gonna start with, we're gonna install new flooring. We're gonna take the carpet out. We're gonna put new LVT flooring. Next on that thing is that we're also gonna change the window shades, because of course they're broken and a lot of them don't work. You can't pull them back up. So we're gonna be able to change new shades along with balances. Well, it's gonna look real nice because we're gonna change the fabric on it too. If you come further this way, a lot of this tube lighting, it's outdated. What we do here is we take those out and we install new LED lighting. We can either manufacture new fixtures with new LED lights on, or just get a new one with LED lighting on it. The customer also decided to take off his refrigerator. This is a propane power refrigerator, but they're very inefficient because they take a long time to cool. So what this customer wants, he wants everything to be within an hour or two. After turning it on, he wants everything cool inside because he just likes to get up and go. On this type of refrigerators, it's recommended that you turn on the refrigerator a day before you actually take off on a trip so you can load it up. So the customer say doesn't want that, so he wants this out. he's gonna put a residential refrigerator inside, which is another reason why we added his new inverter, because he's gonna be powering this refrigerator through his inverter. So the big battery bank you saw earlier is what's gonna be powering the refrigerator. So the sun's gonna charge the batteries, which is then going to power up your refrigerator, basically. So that's this part here. You keep coming inside here. A lot of this lighting is gonna be changed, of course. And of course the flooring on the bedroom area is also gonna be changed. Like I said, this customer bought this coach reasonably cheap. So he's able to add a few bucks and eventually get what he actually needs, what he actually wants. So this is the back area. So once we go and turn around, this is gonna be the entertainment area. Can you see that there's nothing in there? There's no TV. There's no audio video system here. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're gonna be installing a brand new TVs with audio video system. Everything is Bluetooth capable. And if we really want, we can actually add a Wi-Fi system, which you can then basically load everything in there or just watch his DirecTV or Netflix, anything that's online, you can basically do that. So this is basically some of the projects that we do here at OCRV Center. If you need something like this, or even if you have a question about something that we just talked about, just give us a call and we'll gladly help you out with this. So till next time, safe travels. See you later.